Installing the EM-1010's extended table. 1. Remove the 4 screws from each side of the machine's base. 2. Insert the standoffs into each of the holes that held the screws on the machine's base. Rotate the standoffs clockwise to secure them into the machine. If necessary, use a wrench to tighten them. 3. Line up the openings on the 2 metal support brackets with the standoffs on each side of the machine. Make sure the pins on the brackets are facing upwards. 4. Insert the screws you removed from the base of the machine into the other end of the standoffs using a Phillips screwdriver. Five. Slide the table onto the support brackets, lining up the pins on the brackets with the 4 holes on the table and the opening in the center with the sewing arm. 6. Insert the 4 flathead screws through the table into the metal support brackets. And that's how you install the EM-1010's extended table.